In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep the accordion closed by default in Elementor. When you add an accordion to your site and publish the page, you'll notice that by default, the first item in the accordion always appears open. If you prefer to have all items closed when the page loads, you need to adjust the settings. To do this, return to your Elementor editor and select the accordion widget. On the left-hand panel, collapse the Layout section and you'll find the next section labeled Interactions. Click on it to expand. If you don't see the Interactions section available, don't worry. You'll need to enable a feature in Elementor first. Go to your WordPress dashboard and from the left-hand menu, hover over Elementor. From the side menu that appears, click on Settings. Next, go to the Features tab. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Nested Elements. In front of it, there will be a drop-down menu. If it is set to anything other than active, switch it to active. Once done, click on Save Changes. After that, go back to the Elementor editor and refresh the page. The Interactions section should now be available in the accordion settings. Inside the Interaction settings, look for the Default State option. By default, it is set to First Expanded. Switch it to All Collapsed. This ensures that none of the accordion items will be open when the page loads. Once you've done that, click on Publish in the top right-hand corner of the editor. Now, if you open your website in a new tab and refresh the page, you'll see that all accordion items are closed by default. This gives your site a cleaner look and lets visitors expand only the sections they want to view. And this is how you can keep an accordion closed by default in Elementor.